Welcome back to Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, with a number of surgeries on hold at the Victoria Jubilee Hospital, there's a call for a permanent fix to the ongoing issues plaguing the operating theatre. The facility is the largest referral maternity hospital in the English-speaking Caribbean. However, the resources are limited. More in this report. The operating theatre used for gynecology cases at the Victoria Jubilee Hospital in Kingston has not been working for over a month now. This is due to a malfunction in air conditioning units and lights. Regional Director of the Southeast Regional Health Authority, Errol Green, says the authority is trying to find a solution to the crisis. But doctors and nurses are growing impatient.
So we have had a number of nurses who have fainted. Some have had to take breaks because of the heat, and the implication not only for nurses is there, but the implication for the patients, the babies that we serve, because there are implications for infection control, implications for temperature management, even as we know that our babies are not able to regulate their temperature.
There are also concerns about the backlog in cases.
So we're going to have more patients needing surgery. We're going to have more babies going to the nursery. And that is going to put everything in a bad situation.
The cases that were affected because of the air conditioning problem are elective cases. Certainly they are not necessarily life-threatening, but they do cause some amount of morbidity, that is distress to the woman.
The issue of the malfunction in AC units is a recurring one at public health facilities. It is why there are renewed calls for a permanent fix.
All of us, government, need to take the initiative and try incrementally to get us to where we need to be. There also need to be a maintenance schedule to ensure that the equipment that is being used within the healthcare system is maintained. I think that if these things are done, then we would not have a lot of these problems that arise from time to time.
I'm imploring on the powers that be to work with alacrity to have this resolved as we go into the crop season, as we experience this heat. Because of the many implications, it is important that it be dealt with and it be set as priority.
Meanwhile, Mr. Green says the repair work on the unit at Victoria Jubilee will be completed in September.